Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your Emirates Skywards account password. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below, which shows the latest offers and deals. To start, open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email or Emirates Skywards number and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your name at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your name. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for My Account. Click on My Account. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for Personal Details. Click on Personal Details. On this page, you will see a section for Change Password. Then, scroll down a little to enter details. Now, enter your current password on the first field. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then confirm new password on the third field. After entering, click on Save. Now your password has been changed and your account will automatically log out. Just log in again and continue. That's how you change your Emirates Skywards account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.